Starting a faceless YouTube channel in 2024 is very easy. The only things you need is ChatGPT for writing scripts and an AI software for voiceover and editing. If you think growing your YouTube channel would be this easy with such high competition on YouTube, then just close this video. Because it won't be that easy, and we are not here to give fake expectations. In this video, we will be learning the actual method of growing and monetizing your YouTube channel with less than 10 videos. There are tons of channels on YouTube that have crossed more than 100K subscribers in less than 8 videos, like this one which has crossed more than 100K in just 4 videos. Or this one, these YouTube channels are getting millions of views on their videos. This would be the perfect time to open a faceless YouTube channel and make it a secondary source of income. By the end of this video, you will get a clarity on making a viral video for your faceless YouTube channel. I have divided this process into 4 parts, which are ideation, scripting, voiceover, and editing. So let's dive deep into all the 4 parts. Ideation. There are so many niches to make videos on, but still getting confused on which one to work on. First thing you have to do is make a list of niches in which you have interest, experience, and have enough demand on YouTube. So it's time to make a 3-circle diagram where the first one should be your passion. Like, what are you passionate about? Because you cannot create good videos if you are not passionate about that niche. The second one stands for your experience. You can only provide valuable and accurate content of a niche if you have enough experience in that niche. And final one, for which most of you were waiting, is revenue generation and views. Do some competitors analysis and check whether your competitors are getting enough views on that. The intersection of the circle is your perfect niche on which you can start a YouTube channel. Now comes the main part where most of you get stuck or make mistakes. After you have finally decided your appropriate niche, but getting stuck on how to start writing a script on your own or using AI for your script. Let's learn the art of writing a perfect script for a YouTube channel. Scripting. What people usually do is use ChatGPT to write a script and ends up making scripts that are not engaging enough or having the hook points, which leads them to wasting their time and energy and not getting enough views. Today, I will tell you the correct way to write a perfect script for your YouTube videos. So the most common mistake almost everyone makes is to start writing the script first and later deciding the context, title, and thumbnail text, but they are doing it completely wrong. But today I will show you the correct method of writing a script. The first thing is keeping in mind the title and thumbnail text first, because this is what your audience will notice initially even before watching the video, and it is really necessary to give audience the assurance that they are watching the correct video. Let's take this video of Mr. Beast as an example, where he is showing the exact content which he mentioned in the title or thumb text in starting 15 seconds, as the audience was expecting this from that particular video, and it is very important to give them the assurance that they are watching the correct video in the first 15 seconds. Then you have to decide the topics you want to cover in that video and write it down. Then first note down the content that you already know in the topics you chose. Now you can take some help from AI to give you more content for the topics, but don't just use that as directly. Filter out some content and add some hook points. Do let us know in the comments section if you want a whole video dedicated just for writing good scripts. Let's jump to the next part, which is voiceover. Should I record my own voice? Should I hire a voiceover artist? Or should I use AI for voiceover? Again, this completely depends on what you're comfortable with. If you have a good budget, you can hire a voiceover artist. If you have the confidence and skills to record your own voice, then you can do that too. Or you can even use good AI tools for voiceovers like ElevenLabs or any other AI tool. Just make sure that the voice is clear and matches your video or script. Do you guys think that just adding the voiceover would keep the audience engaging? Something would be needed with a great voiceover. Yes, it's the background music which is missing. With a great voice over a background music suitable for your niche or video topic is very necessary to keep the audience engaging and let them watch the video till the end. But remember to lower the volume of the background music or the audience will not be able to hear your voiceover. So, now when you are ready with a great script, it's time to jump to the main part of making a viral video in 2024, which is... Remember choosing the book with great visuals over the one with just text or not much appealing in the school library? Same applies for making a perfect YouTube video, which should have a great script, voiceover, and editing style. For a faceless YouTube channel, you won't be shooting any content for your video, but you have to show something. Something that is relevant to your video topic, engaging enough for your user to stay till the end, and visually appealing, while providing the information or the content which your user was expecting. For this, you can use stock footage, which you will easily find on the internet, or you can use an AI tool to help you get your video ready. But wait, didn't I told that using AI for videos or scripts doesn't work? Yes, it does not work in the most cases. But we're not using AI to edit the whole video, we are going to do it ourselves. We are just using AI tools to generate animated images like Leonardo for your video, insert the correct prompts, and Leonardo will give you some crazy animated images. Here's a hack. After using Leonardo for your One Saint image, you can go to Image Guidance and upload the image generated, so now when you enter the next prompt, Leonardo will generate images that goes in sync with the first image to maintain the consistency. Do this multiple times, and once you think that you have enough stock images ready, import the images to Premiere Pro or any good editing software. Also import the voiceover. After importing, firstly check if there are any blank spaces in the voiceover and trim it out using the blade tool and drag the audio to join it. Once you have removed all the black spaces, import all the images you download from Leonardo in one timeline and add transitions in between each image to make it appealing when the scene changes. You can explore the library and choose the transition that fits your video the best. My personal best is mixed transition. Repeat this for all the images. Some color grading is also required to make it more appealing. For color grading, you can add an adjustment layer in the timeline and drag it till the end so it will auto-apply over the whole video. Play with some color grading options like brightness, saturation, contrast, and many other options till you find the perfect color grading for your video. And here you have a perfect viral video ready. Wait, I think something is still off in the video. Oh, I forgot to mention about adding effects to your video to give it a final touch. You can add any filter from the library that suits your video. There are a bunch of filters available on Premiere Pro. Just look for one that perfectly suits the video. So, now when you have a perfect video that can go viral, in the next videos we will be learning on how to upload the video with the best SEO practices for YouTube. Thanks for watching.